Uh-huh.
A big hug.
That'll work.
Tell them thank you. You do give
Oh,
Nanny
thank
a
you.
hug. So your ring fits, huh?
Yeah. It does.
You like that, Annie?
Oh, yeah. I wanted it. I wanted one.
Jennifer came home and was telling me that you liked it, and I was like, well, you ought to call your sister and brother and see if they'll go in on it with you.
Oh. Yes. Oh. Are you in your house? Your little playhouse?
I see. I was seeing Nanny.
Hi.
Uh-oh, your bow came out. Did Mama put it back in? Go get it. Oh, here it is. It's on your head. Come here.
Underneath the radio.
Here, I'll get it.